What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're going to be working on my 2020 Chevy Trax. And what I'm going to be showing you is how to get to the cabin filter or how to replace the cabin filter on your Chevy Trax. Now, Chevy Trax was from like 2013 to 2021, is still current. I believe from 2017 to 20 up is exactly the same procedure that I'm going to show you, but 2013 to 2017 is almost the same, 99% of it the same. So if you need to do this on your Chevy Trax, stay tuned. Okay, first of all, the cabin filter is going to be behind the glove box, so we need to make sure that we clear whatever you have inside here. And all we really need is going to be a needle nose pliers to remove this air filter. Okay, now that we have empty from there, all we basically need to do is remove this little lever here, and that's why we're going to need the needle nose pliers. We're going to press these tabs here, like basically closing them up a little bit, so we can be able to pull this out all the way like that. After we take off this tab right here, we have two more tabs. They're going to be right here. You can kind of see them right there. It's going to be one on either side. All we have to do is the plastic itself, like bend it inwards, and then the whole thing should be able just to come all the way down. Now we have it down, and this is what I was telling you. If you just push this thing inwards, this thing falls in. Same thing, the other clip right here. Okay, now that we have this down, this is the cabin filter right here, and all we have is one tab here. You press in, and then we have another tab on this side. You press in, and then this little door just pulls up, and there's our filter. Okay, and now that we took the tab off, you can see the filter right here, and then all you do is like put your finger on the side and then just pull it out. Here it is. And then when you grab your new one, you put it on, you slide it on. Just make sure to check this arrow here. The arrow is telling you that the air flows downwards, so whenever you put your new one, make sure that the arrow is facing downwards, same thing. You're going to put in the new one. You're going to slide it all the way in, and you're going to close your tab. You pull this all the way to the top. Now that it is locked into place, all we got to do is put this one back where it was. Alright guys, so that is how you replace the air filter or the cabin filter on your 2013 to 2021 Chevy Trax. The reason for replacing that filter, it could be because you turn on your AC and you hear the fan blowing like at full blast, but you also don't feel a lot of airflow coming through the vents. That could be one of the reasons. It could be that your filter right there is clogged or old. Alright guys, so as always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.